People's Democratic Party, that is PDP chief, Mehbooba Mufti is gearing up for a significant electoral showdown in the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. The announcement came on Sunday that she will be contesting from the Anantnag Rajouri constituency, marking the beginning of what promises to be a highly charged electoral battle. Mufti's candidacy sets the stage for a formidable competition against Democratic Progressive Azad Party chief Ghulam Nabi Azad and the National Conference's seasoned leader Mia Altaf Ahmed, representing the India bloc. Hailing from Bijbehara in Anantnag, Mehbooba Mufti boasts a strong foothold in the region, historically considered a stronghold of the PDP. Despite finishing third in the previous election, her party's decision to field her reflects their aspirations to reclaim lost territory and reinforce their presence in the area. Despite ongoing negotiations between the Congress National Conference and PDP aimed at fielding a unified candidate, no alliance materialized due to conflicting claims from both sides. National Conference leader Omar Abdullah ultimately declared Mia Altaf as their candidate, effectively closing the door on any potential alliance. Meanwhile, Ghulam Nabi Azad, who parted ways with the Congress in 2022 to establish his own political party, the DPAP, emerged as another significant contender in the Anantnag electoral fray. The battle for the Anantnag seat represents a crucial test of survival and prestige for the PDP, the National Conference, and Azad's newly formed party. In the 2019 elections, the National Conference's Justice retired Hasnain Masoodi secured victory by a margin of nearly 10,000 votes. Ghulam Ahmed Mir of the Congress emerged as the runner-up, with Mehbooba Mufti trailing in third place. The Anantnag constituency, which spreads across the Pir Panjal range to include Rajouri and Poonch areas after delimitation, will go to polls on May 7 in the third phase of Lok Sabha elections. Apart from Mufti, PDP's Youth Wing President Wahid Parra will contest the polls from Srinagar and former Rajya Sabha member Mir Fayaz from Baramulla, the party said.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.